Hello everybody and welcome. I'm slowing down the footage of my C8000 booting up to show that the battery is not good. And of course it isn't, it was in storage for 10 years sharp before I bought it. So today I'm going to fix the clock and replace the battery. It's quite hard to show what I'm doing here, but the battery is held vertically with a high pressure clip holding it in place against two plastic, they look like teeth, and they hold the battery there, right? So the clip pushes the battery against the teeth and it stays in place. I tried to remove the tweezers, but at the end of the day I was not very successful, so I just used my hands. And you can replace it with any standard battery. This no button shaped battery, 2032, yes. And I had one from another replacement I think I used on my Jornada, and you should not eat it. As you can see, just peel the sticker off and install the battery in the workstation. Now you can close the lid, and after that you can turn the workstation on, and when you get the bootloader configuration, you will get you will see that there is no error message anymore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.